The second voting method is the Borda count method. And this says each voter ranks the candidates from the most favorable to the least favorable. Each last place vote is given 1 point. Each next to last place vote is given 2 points. Each third from last place vote is given 3 points, and so on. The points are totaled for each candidate separately, and the candidate with the most points is the winner. So as you can see, we have the same preference table as the previous video, but now instead of selecting the winner using the plurality method, we are using the Borda count method. So we have 4 places. So for every 4th place vote, you get 1 point. For every 3rd place vote, you get 2 points. For every 2nd place vote, you get 3 points. And for every 1st place vote, you get 4 points. So let's calculate the points. In the first column, 130 times 1 is 130. 130 times 2 is 260. 130 times 3 is 390. And 130 times 4 is 520. In the second column, 120 times 1 is 120. 120 times 2 is 240. 120 times 3 is 360. And 120 times 4 is 480. In the third column, 100 times 1 is 100. 100 times 2 is 200. 100 times 3 is 300. And 100 times 4 is 400. And then in the final column, 150 times 1 is 150. 150 times 2 is 300. 150 times 3 is 450. And 150 times 4 is 600. So now I want to calculate the total points for each candidate. So Antonio got 520 plus 120 plus 200 plus 300. So that's 1,140 total points. Bob got 390 plus 360 plus 300 plus 450. So that is 1,500 total points. Carmen got 260 plus 240 plus 100 plus 600. So that is 1,200 total points. Donna got 130 plus 480 plus 400 plus 150. So that is 1,160 total points. So Bob got the most points. So Bob is the winner by the Borda count method.